Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome back with the third puzzle. The third puzzle is a JigSaw Sudoku, aka Tectonic. In today's newspaper of Tuesday. Yes, it's still Tuesday, November the 12th, 2024, and I've already solved 2 puzzles, the 3 stars and the 4 stars Sudoku, the regular Sudokus. So 1 puzzle is left, the regular JigSaw Sudoku, aka Tectonic. By the way, in this newspaper we have also an additional with extra puzzles, 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve not now but in the evening. And the news of today, well, I've told you earlier, France against Israel, yeah, the soccer match will be held this Thursday. Well, I can assure you that this will be a battle, not on the field but outside the stadium. Yes, this looks like similar as the match between Tel Aviv and Ajax Amsterdam against Israel. Well, after the match, well, there's a battle on the street. Yeah, as you know, the war is still going on in Gaza. Well, more than 400 days ago, the war started there, and it's still going on. Well, genocide, yes. I believe the Saudi Arabia, the king, has mentioned it's a genocide, yeah. Anyway, this one, 9576. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 16 printed digits. Should be an easy one, because the hard ones has always 8, 9 or 10 printed digits. This one has 16, double those numbers. So don't think it's a 3 stars. For 3 stars puzzle I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. Well, I think it's a 0 stars or 1 star puzzle. For 0 stars puzzle I need to be faster than 30 minutes. For 1 star, faster than 15 minutes. Question is this a 0 stars, a 1 star, or 3 stars puzzle? We don't know, we will see, so let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box or boxes? Because the single box is always 1. I see only 1 single box, always a 1. Next question, do we have here dual boxes? I see only 1 dual box. Contains the 1 and 2. Well, I do not know in which order, so let me mark those 2 boxes. How about triple boxes? Let me check for triple boxes. No triple boxes here. How about quadra boxes? I see here 1 quadra box. Contains the 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Well, I cannot fill this yet. Here, the same. Insufficient information right now. My next strategy is to look for shapes, figures, structures or constructions that you need to recognize. For example, the T shape. Let me draw the T shape here. When you see the T shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. But also that box has the same number as this box. So that box has the same number as this box. Okay. In this case, it's a 1 here. Alright. So 1 digit left in this dual box for number 2 then. Okay. More T shapes in this puzzle? No. How about the next? The Z construction. It's rotated. If you rotate this to the right, you will get the Z. If you flip the Z, you will get the S. It's the same shape. Let me draw the Z construction here. When you see the Z construction, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. But also that box has the same number as this box. So that box has the same number as this box. In this case, it's a 4 here. Do we have more of this kind of shapes in this puzzle? No, only 1. Then the following shape. How about this shape? Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box, Same number as that box. In this case, it's a 4 here. Do we have more of these kind of shapes? No, only one of this kind of shape. Yeah, only one. Then the following shape, I believe the last shape for this puzzle that you need to recognize this shape. Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. Maximum are 6, not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 4 of them that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get starting filling those numbers. These 2 boxes can be 5, so 1 box left with 5 in this area is supposed to be here. These 2 boxes surround the 1 can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area is supposed to be here. This box can be 3, those 2 boxes can be 3, so 1 box left for the 3 in this area is supposed to be here. Is connected with that box, so 3. These 2 boxes can be 3, so 1 box left for the 3 in this quadra box should be here. These 3 boxes surround the 3 can be 3, so 1 box left for the 3 in this area is supposed to be there. These 2 boxes can be 3. That box can be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this quadra box should be there. Not the 1. A 3. These 2 boxes can be 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this cross area is supposed to be here. These 2 boxes can be 3. These 2 boxes can be 4. So the 3 and the 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 3 and 4, 3 and 4. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1. And the 2, we have a 2 there. No 2 there. 2 should be here. 1 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 1. That box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area is supposed to be here. These 2 boxes surround the 2 can be 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area is supposed to be here. Is connected with that box should be so a 2. Then, well, these 2 boxes can be 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this quadra box should be there. Yeah. These 3 boxes surround the 2 can be 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. Yeah. This box can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 4. We have 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here and 3 goes there. Is connected with that box should be so 3. These 2 boxes can be 4, so 1 box left for the 4 in this area is supposed to be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 5. We have 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here and the 2 goes there. 2 numbers left now in this area for numbers 1 and the 2. These 2 boxes can be 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. 2 numbers left in this T-shaped area for numbers 3 and the 4. Well, I cannot place the 4 there because we have a double 4 there. If I place a 4 here, I cannot fill any 4 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 4 is supposed to be here and the 3 goes in there. Then let me see, 3 and 4, we have 3 now, no 3 there. 3 should be here and the 4 goes there. Mark those 2 boxes with 4, we have a 4 now, so this box can be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. I think this box should be a 5, because give me 1, give me 2, give me 3, give me 4, yes, definitely a 5. 2 numbers left now in this area for numbers 1 and 2, 1 and 2, 1 and 2. We have a 2 there, so no 2 there. 2 should be here and the 1 goes there. 1 and a 2, we have a 2 now, no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 1 goes there. Mark those 2 boxes with 1. We have a 1 now, so this box can be 1 and more. That box should be a 1. 2 numbers left in this quadra box for numbers 1 and 4. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 4 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this Z construction should be here. 2 numbers left in the Z construction for numbers 2 and 5. We have 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 5 goes there. I think this box should be a 5. Because give me 1, give me 2, give me 3, give me 4. Yes, definitely a 5. Then let me see. These two boxes can be 1. These two boxes can be 4. So 1 and 4 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 1 and 4, 1 and 4. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 4 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here and a 2 goes there. 2 numbers left now in this area for numbers 2 and 4. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 4 goes there. I think this box should be a 2 because it can be 1, should be a 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 2. 1 box left in this area for number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing. 2 numbers left in this cross area for numbers 3 and 5. 3 and 5. Here also the same numbers. 3 and 5. We have 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here and 5 goes there. 3 and 5. We have 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here. 5 goes there. I think this box should be a 1 because give me 2, give me 3, give me 4, give me 5. Yes, definitely a 1. I think this box should be a 4 because give me 1, give me 2, give me 3. Should be a 4, give me a 5. Yes, definitely a 4. I think this box should be a 5 because give me 1, give me 2, give me 3, give me 4. Yes, definitely a 5. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 3. We have 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here and 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in this quadrat box for numbers 1 and 2. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and 1 goes there. These two boxes can be 3. These two boxes can be 5. So 3 and 5 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 3 and 5, 3 and 5. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here and 5 goes there. And the final 2 numbers in this area for the numbers 1 and 2. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 2 goes there. Finish in 11 minutes. Well, told you, should be a 0 stars. We solve it again, and I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it solve by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in the evening with the other 4 puzzles in additional. Until then, bye bye for now.